Today we're going old school and we love every minute of it.
Tender macaroni with all the classic flavors.
Perfect for a potluck Sunday, a cookout, or just a trip down memory lane.
There's a reason why this has been loved for generations.
There is a reason. It's delicious.
It's good.
Good, Grandma.
It's so good.
Grandma knew what she was doing, I tell you.
Yes.
Okay, so we're going to start off with a pound of small elbow macaroni, and I'm going to get this going. I've got some water boiling over here. I had added a little salt to that. You want to make sure you give it a stir so it doesn't stick. Kind of tend to it, but it's going to cook until it's nice and tender, which is usually about 10 minutes. Okay.
Yeah, and I've got some hard-boiled eggs over here.
Yeah.
We got some water. Excuse me. We got some water in a pot, and we boiled it, and we threw these eggs in there.
We didn't throw them. We gently placed
put them in there. And we put these eggs in there, and we let that go for 10 minutes, which will give you the perfect hard-boiled egg. And then we put it in some cold water and let them cool down, and then we peeled them and put them back in that water just to get any excess eggshell off of it. And here they are, and I'm just gonna chop them up, give them a good rough chop.
10 minutes is the perfect time. If you let it go any longer, then you're going to get rubbery and kind of gross. So anyway.
Oh,
right.
These are perfect.
Yes, they are.
Yeah.
I love them. I love them. Any of this stuff, all of this stuff is adaptable to your taste and flavors. You can leave it, you can omit it, you can add more of it. It's kind of the kitchen sink mentality of what Grandma had on hand, and I love that.
It is so good.
This is just classic cubed ham. This is a cup of cubed ham. You can get that from the grocery store. This is so old school, and I love it. This is from a 7-ounce jar of pimentos that I drained. That's about a cup. And then I've got a cup of mayonnaise, good old quality mayonnaise. This is just your classic dressing. And then we've got some yellow mustard. None of that fancy, spicy brown Dijon. We're going good old classic yellow mustard. Then we've got, these are
none of that fancy.
None of that fancy stuff here. We're going old school. This is celery. That's like 3 stalks that I finely chopped. You're going to want about a cup of it. These are scallions. This is from like 3 or 4 scallions. You could do, and I chop those. You could do onion too, red onion, yellow onion. This is old school delicious. 3 tablespoons of sweet relish. This has a little sweetness to it, a little tartness to it. We're gonna add a little more sweetness with a tablespoon of sugar. And then we've got, this can take plenty of salt because we've got quite a bit of pasta going in.
Yes.
I'm doing 2 teaspoons of salt and then 1 teaspoon of freshly ground pepper.
All right, okay. Are you ready for my eggs?
I am ready. Let me give me my pasta good stirring over here.
Okay, and I'm gonna bring over these eggs. Here we go.
Bring them on over.
Oh, look at that. I gave them a really rough chop.
That is rough, I tell you.
You know, I've had about, I don't know, 18,000 versions of this macaroni salad when we'd have a church potluck.
Oh yeah.
Every woman, there would be like 8 of them sitting, 8 different types of macaroni salad.
I know, believe me.
And when I was younger.
Well, you did give us a rough chop.
When I was younger, I have to confess.
You didn't like it?
They weren't the first thing I went to.
Well, no, I mean, you would go for the fried chicken and things like that.
I think Dorothea Wickett made the best one.
She sounds like she would make a good one.
Dorothea Wickett.
Yeah.
She also got mad at me for giggling in church as well.
Well, I can understand. So anyway, now you see this it smells so good. It's just waiting for that pasta. So now, wow, that's really chunky. That's okay.
I like a chunky egg in my macaroni salad.
Well, we've got that. Okay, so now we're just going to let this go until it's done, which is just a few more minutes. We're going to rinse it, cool it off, and then bring it all together.
Yeah.
Okay,
all right.
Now we got perfectly cooked pasta. We let that go until it was nice and tender. It was about 10 minutes, and then we drained it in the colander. I got out my spigot on my faucet and just, let it until it's cool. It's helpful if you kind of stir it around with a spoon, and then I put it in the bowl. Make sure it's good and drained. And now
that's
going to give
not hot.
Nope, it's cool. You definitely don't want to put hot pasta in there with the mayonnaise and the dressing. That wouldn't be good.
There we go. That's a lot of macaroni.
It is. This makes a good amount. This is perfect for, I'm telling you, when you got a potluck, if you've got a family's coming over for
a picnic.
It's about to be Labor Day here in the States.
This is actually perfect picnic food because it doesn't need to be warm, it could be served chilled, and it's actually, you can make it a day in advance, and it's even better the next day.
You can make a day in advance.
Look at that, all that goodness.
Grandma would be so proud. I just love this. It's just
Look at the big chunks.
No, yeah, you're right.
Big chunk of eggs. I love
it's
it.
fun. It's good. Make sure you get it nice and stirred, fully combined, and then you could eat it right now, and it would be absolutely delicious. We think it's best if you give it like an hour in the fridge to just really let those flavors meld. Like Wesley said, you can do this the day before. It's still really good. But we're gonna let it chill for an hour, and then we're gonna eat that whole bowl.
Yes.
Okay, so this has been chilling now for an hour. I like to let it sit out after it's been in the fridge. Let it doesn't have to completely
bring it down
come
to
to
room temperature. Yeah.
You don't want it too chilled.
Too chilly.
You just want it.
Oh, that looks so good.
That look good.
I can't believe I didn't like this when I was younger. I think it was because there was too many weird things going on in it. Like there's the little pimentos, which I wasn't familiar with.
I know. As a kid, everything's you're a little uncertain.
Yeah, and hard-boiled eggs was something that you weren't wanting at all.
You didn't like hard-boiled egg? You want more?
No, that's good.
Normally you have this next to like grilled chicken or a cheeseburger or something, but we're just having a bowl of it. You know.
A cheeseburger.
Yeah, like at a cookout.
Oh, okay, okay.
Why is that so weird?
I don't know.
I'm spilling stuff.
I know.
It's because I get excited.
You don't even care.
It's because I don't know. I was trying to understand why cheeseburger was so baffling. Okay.
I don't think of a cheeseburger next to macaroni. I think of like a ham salad.
Just
or something.
eat your ham salad. Your macaroni salad.
Look at this, you guys.
So creamy. I'm going in.
Oh yeah.
Who'd you say made it at your church?
Dorothea.
Dorothea.
I don't know if it was Dorothy Wickett. I think it's Dorothy Wickett.
I wonder if Dorothy is watching.
No, Dorothy's not watching.
Oh, I'm
Maybe
sorry.
from heaven.
Oh, hi, Dorothea. Well, Dorothea, I hope we made you proud. Did we live up to Dorothea?
I never tasted. I don't remember the taste of Dorothy.
Well, what do you think of this?
Oh, you're driving me crazy. This is delicious. This is
so good.
This is 100,000% Luna approved.
That's pretty good. For good old school macaroni salad, that
really is
make
good.
a mess.
You did that.
You guys,
That is really good. It's more than 100,000.
I would say I think it should be. That is so good. That gives just good old plain pasta salad a run for the money. I mean, because I like the creaminess of it. You got a little flavor of surprises in there with all the ham is good. Flo's come over.
Flo
to say
wants
hello.
some.
So you guys, we hope whatever time of the year it is. Right now it's summer. We hope you're having a great summer. Make this, and it's gonna even be better.
I'm chewing. I can't
He's
talk.
chewing. Okay, bye everybody. We love you guys so
Bye.
much. Mwah.